对顶关税政策嘛，互美国甲欧盟的关系真紧张哦。欧盟的执委会主委冯德莱恩今仔就针对汽车甲工业产品，向川普提出零关税对零关税的建议。也毋过，川普是讲哦，美国对欧盟有3500亿美金的贸易红利，要求欧盟就要向美国来买能源。
We stand ready to negotiate with the United States. Indeed, we have offered 0 for 0 tariffs for industrial goods, as we have successfully done with many other trading partners.
到底川普的对顶关税对全球市场投一粒正大的震撼弹的时阵，欧盟执委会主席冯德莱恩拜伊伫比利时的布鲁塞尔放出善意，表示讲欧盟已经准备好随时针对汽车和工业产品和美国达成零关税对零关税的协议。不过，欧盟贸易专员萨夫科维奇嘛表示讲，川普对欧盟的关税有害，而且完全无正当理由。
In fact, 380 billion euros worth of EU exports to the US. So we are talking here some 70% of our total exports are facing tariffs of 20% or 25% or even higher when combined with existing most favored nation tariffs like 27.5% duty on passengers' cars altogether.
为着维护自身的利益，欧盟嘛做好反制准备。欧盟会伫4月初9针对第一批反制关税来做表决，若是通过，第一波25%的关税会针对美国280亿美金的喙齿线选招在进口商品，4月15开始征收。第二波针对美国汽车等产品的反制关税，5月15来启动。不过，川普敢若是对零关税并无满意，伊伫白宫两厅办公室接受媒体问的时阵，伊表示讲。这根本就无法度来解决下大西洋之间的贸易逆差。
EU has said that they have offered 0 for 0 tariffs on cars and industrial goods. Is that not enough?
Well, the EU, no, it's not. The EU has been very tough over the years. I always say, it was formed to really do damage to the United States in trade. That's the reason it was formed.
川普直接表明讲，只要欧盟承诺采购和贸易逆差等大的美国能源，就当直接来抵消美国的赤字。
We have a deficit with the European Union of $350 billion, and it's going to disappear fast. And one of the reasons and one of the ways that can disappear easily and quickly is they're going to have to buy our energy from us because they need it. They're going to have to buy it from us. They can buy it. We can knock off $350 billion in 1 week.
欧盟对川普关税是积极在谈判，另外嘛准备好反制武器。不过当协这边是较亲像无要采取报复的措施。
Di mana ASEAN akan mengutamakan negosiasi. Jadi ASEAN tidak mengambil angka retaliasi.
印尼和川普扣32%的对顶关税，目前已经派外交人员和专家去美国来做谈判，无排除伫未来做炼油厂的计划内面纳入向美国采购的零件。从扣24%对顶关税，马来西亚首相安华虽然批评讲，川普扣对顶关税欠正当性，嘛违背自由贸易的精神，但是伊嘛是呼吁有6.4亿人口和经济实力的当协爱立场相同，用整体的立场来因应川普的关税动击。公司新闻，翁如梅编译。